Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let me quickly go back to this general section, and all we have to do here is to find the security and lock screen. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and localize encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. You will also have to confirm this step with your lock screen, so let's enter. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.